So this is my 2016 bike check line of sight. Apparel.
Just say line of sight.
I can't say that word.
Yeah, just say line of sight.
That's not how you say it. Right. This is my 2016 bike check for line and sight. I'll start off with the grips, what are the Dan Paley Slims in chocolate. On the United Regal XL bars, and they are 9.25 rise and 27-inch wide, cut down from 30. Onto the stem, which is a BSD Race V2 stem, which I've had for a good 2 years now. On the BSD Gator V3 forks as well, and I'm running the Shadow stacked headset. The frame is a BSD passenger frame in navy blue, 21.1. The seat is Reedstock's signature safari seat on a demolition seat post. Onto the cranks are the BSD Substance cranks, and the 175 on the BSD Safari pedals, also in Reedstock's chocolate colourway. The sprocket is a BSD 5-spoke sprocket, a 28 tooth on a Shadow Conspiracy. What's the Shadow chain called? Interlock. Got the Shadow Interlock V3 chain with a BSD Substance bottom bracket. Onto the wheels I've got the BSD Donna Squeaks in the chocolate colourway. A black Demolition Zero rim with the Odyssey spokes laced onto a BSD West Coaster, which is just super dialed. The front wheels just the same Donna Squeak tyre on a Demolition Zero rim, and a Stranger ballast front hub laced with Odyssey spokes. And yeah, that's about it.